how these clients connect to the servers, that also we need to understand, right? So when we talk about the server, these servers can be anything. Your mail server, if you are using Gmail, Hotmail, or any Office 365, whatever mail box you are using, these are hosted on some of the servers, right? So just take an example of a mail server here. You are using some drives also, right, to keep your documents and all. So these are belongs to file server, and you are accessing some website. Those are the hosted on the web server. Here we are having different kind of protocols and ports which needed to access these applications. So what are these ports and protocols are? So protocol which is mentioned here, for mail server we are having SMTP, for file server we are having SMB, for web server we are having HTTP. Okay, so these protocols are kind of a set of rules that actually defines or tells how two devices can communicate with each other. In this case, two devices are our client machine and the server. And what are these ports are? Ports are, you can understand, it's like a door on this server on which it will access this particular service. If this port is 25, that means it belongs to the SMTP and it's having a mail server here. Similarly, if you want to access file server, you need to define the port here. I mean, it should be open, then only you will be able to access any file. Similarly, for accessing any website which is not secure, that is HTTP. If it is secure, then you will have HTTPS and the port number will be 443. So this is how our client machine can access these services which is hosted on the server through the cloud network, but it requires some additional information like protocols, ports, gateways, and subnets, whatever it is related to your server. So that is required to understand by this client machine. So this is how our client machine connect to the server.